Hope you're doing well today. Let's take a look at distinction between terms and representations. So during contractual negotiations, many statements are made, which then become the contract. So these statements, are they terms or are they representations? One of the basic main distinction between the two is if statements of fact are made that are not intended to be binding, and even if they do not become part of the actual contract itself, if later onwards prove to be untrue, you can still sue for misrepresentation. Taking the example of, let's say, Madison, who sells her dental practice to Jane, telling her about how profitable the business is. However, Jane later finds out that the business actually suffers from several deficiencies. So although the factor about profitability was discussed and it was made as a statement of fact, it never made into the contract. But now, Jane can still sue Madison for misrepresentation. On the other hand, statements that are intended to be binding and also become part of the contract, these are referred to as terms. So if in the same example, Madison sells Jane her dental practice, and in the contract it says that the location of the dental practice is on Hucknall Road. However, later onwards, Jane finds that it is not based in Hucknall but in some other location. This is actually a breach of contract, and Jane can sue Madison not for misrepresentation but breach. This is the main distinction between a term and representation. Thank you.